Hello everyone, I'm draw show easy anime. You can draw it. First, use color 132 as a base. Then use color 26 to deepen his skin tone. Color now 25 deepens again. Paint the skin color on his hands in the same way. Let's draw his hair again. Start with the lighter colors first. Smudge upwards. Make the transition more natural. Can you draw that? Color now. 97 is used to spread color over a large area. Repeat the same steps to draw on the hair. Use color 93 to darken your hair. This way the hair is basically finished. Finally, use color 92 to darken the heaviest areas. Surface providing company. Finally, use a highlight pen to add highlights. The face is done. First, use color 145 to paint the lightest pink flower. Then use color 196 to paint different pink paintings. Then use color 28 to darken the petals. Color now 130 for to draw yellow flowers. Color now 7 to draw the stamens and pink flowers. Use color now 8 to darken color now. 140 to draw the stamens. 172 and 167 to paint the light leaves. Then use color 55 to darken. Make it more layered. Draw the leaf veins with color now 46 to deepen them. I used color pencil number 166 for the skirt. Then use color 35 to paint the lace of the skirt. Fill in the areas of hair on the chest that were not painted before. Then draw the lace. Then use color 36 to deepen the skirt. Draw along the folds of the skirt. Now, 35 color deepened again. The part of the shirt uses CG1 first. Draw along the folds of the clothes. Including the lace of the skirt too. Then use CG3 to deepen it. Finally, draw a yellow bow on the head. Then use color 96 to darken your hair. Color now 98底本子盖 Just keep adjusting. This completes the painting. Goodbye. See you next time.